Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing well. If it's your first time here, hello, you are very welcome. My name is Sarah, and on my channel expect a ton of cleaning motivation and some mommy duties. And if you are a returning subby, thank you so much for returning. On today's video, you'll be spending 2 days with me. You'll be spending Thursday morning with me and Friday morning as well, and I hope you'll get motivated. I hope you'll enjoy this content. So a while ago, I think a year ago or 2 years ago, when I was like so into cleaning motivation, watching everyone who's doing cleaning motivation all around the world, of which I'm still doing, right? I'm still doing it. But every time when I watch, every time when they change their beddings, mommies will be like, you can just comment down below and let me know how many times do you change your beddings. I'm laughing because I was like, sometimes when I comment, I'm like, I change after 3 weeks. Sometimes I'm like after a month, sometimes after 2 weeks, because for me it depends. If the bedding is dirty, then I can just remove it and I go wash it and change it. Sometimes I'm just like, you know what, I'm just tired of seeing this bedding. I need something else. Like right now, as I'm talking to you, I've been changing my beddings every after 5 or 6 days. On my previous video, I think it was on Sunday reset, I put the white bedding. That one, we only used it for 4 days, and then from there I removed it. Yeah, so for me, I don't know honestly, but I guess right now at the moment I tend to be like, you know what, because I change my I clean, not I change, I fix my bed every morning, and sometimes it gets to me like, oh, I'm so tired of seeing these colors, you know, so it's better if I change. For me, that's how it is, because that bedding, the one that I removed, was really not dirty. So Abigail was actually asking me to go to the shop and buy her the ice cream. So I decided to go with her. Either way, you know how kids are, they enjoy being outside, more especially when it's raining. Ah, what is that? Tamaya. I take this one.
No.
Which one?
Yes.
But this one is expensive. So when we came back from the shop, I just told her that she must go and bath, and I decided to join her.
Yeah, the weather's going to come.
Honestly, guys, I don't understand the texture of my daughter's hair. I know it's funny, right? I really don't understand it, and I always try my best to just, you know what, let me do what I have to do, because she has this hair. I don't know if you saw the previous clips where I was fixing the bed. You saw her hair, how it was there before bathing. It was so hard and it shrinked. After bathing, Abigail's hair is like soft, and it's like you can see, like, because okay, you can't see that much, but for me I can see and I can feel it that it's long. She has too much hair, but the length, or maybe it's because it's the natural hair, the length of her hair for me is like, is there, but most of the time it's just shrinking, and I hate that. And I really don't know what kind of hair treatment I should use for her, because at this moment I tried the hair treatments that I know and they are not working. So currently I'm using the oils that we came with from Cameroon. Small, not with the brush. Chicks, not with the finger. You put here. It's enough. So as I was saying that currently using the hair oils that I came with from Cameroon, and I don't know if really they are working, but they just make her hair to be much softer, more especially if I want to braid her hair. And it was Friday on this day, and you know what Friday means in my household, especially when it comes to my own house chores. So I do Abigail's laundry, and there I was taking it outside. So you guys, let me tell you something. I know some of you will be like, what? Others will be like, okay. Others will be like, okay, it's normal. But for me, I'm like, it's normal. Others will be like, but why? Right. So I stopped breastfeeding Abigail 3 months ago. 3 months ago, I stopped breastfeeding my daughter, and Abigail is 3 years. If I had a choice, I was still gonna continue, but I just felt like, you know what, let me just stop this thing here. So she was lately, since early this year, she was only taking the breast milk when she wants to sleep. I know she will never go to sleep without coming to me. So that was the only thing. Even when she's sick, she will come to me and she will go there. I will tell that my daughter is not okay, and if she wants to sleep, I will tell as well that okay, she wants to sleep. But now I'm no longer doing that, and she eats a lot. Abigail loves fries. Abigail loves chips. You guys, like now when I do my grocery, potatoes must be there, noodles must be there, tomato sauce must be there, apples. Abigail does not eat banana and avocado. And last week we went to Food Lovers Market. We bought a pastek. Oh my God, we bought we bought watermelon. We are used to calling it in French in this house. We bought watermelon. The way she ate that watermelon, I was like, okay. So now I was actually preparing lunch for us. It's Friday, and I think the time was around 12 p.m. So I was just preparing lunch for us. So I'll be trying to make my own kota, my own skambani in the house, of which is not gonna turn out the way I want, but you guys will see as the video continues. And then Abigail will just be eating her fries with the Russian. She loves fries so much. I'm telling you, if Abigail visits you and she tells you that she's hungry, kindly, it's either you're going to buy the fries for her or you cook them for her, you fry them for her. Simple. But normally when she's at my sister's house, she's always there for the noodles. My sister always gives her noodles, and she loves tin fish as well. So yeah, she's at that stage where even myself, I'm so excited that my daughter is eating breastfeeding a toddler, it's a good thing, it's normal, it's okay for me, but sometimes they really don't want to eat because they're just depending on the breast milk, right? So with me, another thing is that I've never struggled with the breast milk from I don't know if I should tell you guys now or if I should just discuss this later on, but I've never struggled with the breast milk. Even now, when she was still taking it, it was still too much. It was really too much. The time I stopped breastfeeding her, even myself, even my breasts were like, what is happening now? What's happening? But either way, I guess this is another topic for another day, for another video, not now. And I hope you guys are still enjoying this content. And thank you so much for watching this far. We have come to the end of today's video, and I will definitely see you guys on my next one. Bye.